How to make a drop-down menu on Wix. Now, drop-down menu means this kind of menu, right? When you click on a certain link and other options are going to open up, this is what the drop-down menu is all about. Let's say you want this kind of options or menu for your own website as well. So currently my own website only has normal menu right here, right? But let's say you want a drop-down menu so that when people hover it or click on it, you should be able to see other options right there. To enable it, first of all, just go to pages and menu option from the editor, right? So when you're editing, go to pages and menu. Here, let's say under the home section, I want to add other menus. So what I have to do is I need to select that page and simply drag towards the right hand side and it will automatically settle itself. So which means under home page, these two options exist, shop and about me. I can also drag other pages right there under that. So it will be counted as a sub menu. Only when you click on home, these options are going to open up right here. Now, all you have to do is just go to this preview option. So let's just check how it's going to work out, right? When you go to the preview option and people go to this home and navigate towards it, you will see all the sub menus within that home section. Now I'll go back to editor. If you don't want a certain page and you want it to be added as a main menu itself, you can just remove it and just swipe it back towards the left hand side to be added as a main menu itself and not as a drop down menu. But to add as a drop down menu, simply select the page, the sub page, and just drag it towards the right hand side and it will get added just like this. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.